It's West Yorkshire's schools that are being hit by the latest surge in positive COVID tests, with many reporting high numbers of pupils and staff having to stay at home. At Prince Henry's Grammar School in Otley, the executive head has seen cases steadily rise since half-term, and that's causing added stress coming up to exam time.
We're still relatively low number of cases, but definitely noticed an increase. We currently have about 120 students who are having to self-isolate, either because they have COVID or because they've been a close contact to one of the COVID cases in schools.
Keeping control of this rapidly changing situation is key, so staff and pupils are being asked to test themselves at home twice a week.
We're not actually sure how many are taking the tests. We have to trust them, but we're confident that it's going well and that they are engaged in the testing programme.
Government figures show that while coronavirus rates continue to vary across our region, the number of people testing positive has increased in all local authorities, apart from Kirklees. In Leeds, the rate in the week up to the 17th of June was 210 per 100,000 people. That's the highest in the region, a 51% rise on the previous week. Meanwhile, in Calderdale, the rate was 153 per 100,000, a rise of 27% on the week before. Looking at those figures, you can see why health officials are worried. But are people who live in these hotspots concerned? In the last hour and a half, we've been here at this testing centre at Woodhouse in Leeds, and only 3 people have turned up for a test in that time. To be fair, not many people know about this testing facility yet. It's its first day. But concerned councillors in Hyde Park, Hare Hills, Little London and Woodhouse have been out knocking on doors to spread the word, especially to the large student population here.
As the restrictions have lifted, that has meant that there's been more social contact. Combine that with the fact that we have a dominant variant, which is a Delta variant, which is far more transmissible, and also in terms of the rises in cases being between in the age ranges of 18 and 24, our young population haven't quite yet had the jab, because obviously we've just started to open up those slots for over 18, and that's just happened last week. So yes, it is concerning, but we're responding to it sooner, really.
People living in the hotspot areas are being urged to come forward for a test, whether they're showing symptoms or not. Ian White, BBC Look North, Leeds.